Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnImpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This comes from Kim, and she says, currently I have several workbooks and journals available on Amazon, self-published through CreateSpace. I'm wondering now, with going through Pin with Purpose, if I should convert those into ebook downloadables and put them on my website. My niche would then have immediate access, and I would not have to go through the third party. I'm interested in learning more about your first ebook launch. Good question. So I launched my ebook a little bit over a year ago. Crazy, but it actually sold out. It broke my website when I launched this ebook, and I still sell it every day on autopilot from Pinterest, which is so freaking cool. So it was originally just a downloadable thing that people would download from my website, and I get so much traffic, literally 36,000 people coming to my fitness site every single month, that it was selling on autopilot, and I didn't have to do any advertising or anything like that, and people wanted to buy it, which is awesome. And side note, people wanted to buy it because my blog was so related to all the content I was putting on Pinterest. So my ebook was keto-ish, teaching people how to eat high-fat, low-carb. My blog content was all about eating keto. Things I was pinning was all about eating keto. So when someone was looking for keto, they would come, they'd be like, well, yeah, I want to get this keto ebook. So it all was congruent and it all made sense. After it sold so well, I did end up putting it on Amazon too, because Amazon's doing free advertising for you. They're gonna take about at least 50 or 60% of the profits, but it gets you in front of an audience that you wouldn't have gotten in front of otherwise. So I would have it on your blog where people can buy it directly from your blog, because you're getting that traffic from Pinterest after you're going through Pin with Purpose. I know you are. But then have it on Amazon too, because they're free advertising. So why the heck not? I hope that helped. Make sure to head to She'sMakingAnImpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you later.